Can you turn to page 6 for me? I want to look at this the way it looks in our cadence pattern. Do you see on the top of page 6 our F major cadences? Let's try playing what we just did again. We're going to start with our red chord. Can you play the red chord with me? Here we go. Red, 2, 3, 4. Why am I counting to 4? Are these whole notes? Yeah. Okay, let's move for our blue chord. And you can see there in the music, do you see the flat written in? So let's move to our blue chord, fingers up, and then make sure we're on that flat. Let's play that blue chord. Blue, 2, 3, 4. Let's come back to our red, 2, 3, 4. And yellow feels easy. In fact, it might even be easier to not look down at your hand. Just remember what a yellow feels like and play it. Yellow, 2, 3, 4, and end on red, 2, 3, 4. Nice job. Could we try that with our left hand? Where do you think? Where should we put our left hand? Now it's our pinky finger that's going to need to be on an F. Can you make sure you're 5, 3, 1? And let's play our red chord. Here you go. Red, 2, 3, 4. And here's that tricky blue chord. We're going to need that magic flat. So stretch your thumb. Get ready to play your 2, but no regular B. It has to be a B flat. Do you feel it? Play that 5, 2, 1. Blue. Come back down to the red, 2, 3, 4. And how would a yellow feel in your left hand? Just going to move our fingers down. I'm playing my 5, 3, 1. Play the yellow chord in F major. And now come back and play our red, 2, 3, 4, and roll off. That's so magical. That's fun that your hands can just float and magically land in another key and just know how to play it because you've been putting those strong muscles in your fingers and they remember what it feels like. Nice job on that.